Okay, so today, here's what you're doing. You have to multiply this polynomial by that polynomial. Once again, it's very, very old stuff. We've seen this all before. Okay, there are 3 ways you can multiply 2 polynomials. All right, so we're going to go through all 3 of these. Now, 2 of them are on your paper already, right? And 1 of them is not on the paper. You want me to write it down. We don't care which method you use, as long as you can do it successfully by one of the methods. We're never going to say, do this method, do this method. It's always going to be, you can use the method you want to, whichever makes sense to you. Okay, so the first one is what I call the double distributed property method, right? So all you're going to do is take -2 and distribute it to this, and to this, and to this, and take x and distribute it to this, and to this, and to this. Okay, so let me ask you this. What's x times -2x squared? -2x cubed, right? Okay, here we go. That's what you're going to see now. There you go. There's that. There's that, right? Okay, what's x times 3x? 3x squared. Okay, that's what you're going to see. There's that. There's that. Oops. Okay. All right, now what's x times -6? -6x. That's what you're going to see. -6x. Okay, see? Makes sense? Real simple. Okay, now we're doing the -2. So what's -2 times -2x squared? 4x squared. 4x squared. That's what you're going to see there. Here I am multiplying it. There's 4x squared. Okay, what's -2 times 3x? -6x. That's what you're going to see. Here we go. And here we go. -6x. Okay, what's -2 times -6? +12. Okay, that's what you're going to see. Here we go. There's that. And there's +12. Okay, so it makes sense what just happened? Let's get just 2 distributive properties. Okay, now all you have to do is combine it all together, right? Okay, so look at this. Are there any other x cubes? Okay, so you're going to write 1x cubed down. Okay, that's what you're going to see. Okay, look at this. There it is. Okay, then any other x squareds? Yeah, there are 2 of them, right? So how much is 3 and 4x squareds? 7x squareds. That's what you're going to see. There's this. Hold on. There's that. There's that. There it is. Okay, what are now are there any other x's? Yes. Okay, so what's -6x's and -6x's? -12x's, right? Okay, that's what you're going to see. There you go. So like I said, it's like a baby lesson. Okay, and then here we got a plain ordinary number, any other ordinary numbers. So we're just going to put down +12, right? Okay. 1 more. There you go. That's it. That's the answer. And you put the little box around it. There's a little box. There you go. We've done the first one. Okay, so everybody understand how to do double distributive. Once again, if you like that method, use it. If you don't, use another method. Okay, now the method you don't see on the paper that you got right now is the box method, which is the one I just like it so much because it kind of spreads it all out and makes it easier to see things. But that's just my preference. You got to do what you need to do. Okay, so here's the box method. Same problem, right? So you're going to make this long box, right? A long key, right? And you're going to go with this. Here's x -2, okay? And then here's -2x squared plus 3x minus 6. Okay, once again, same thing. Same thing, okay? So look at this. What's x times -2x squared? -2x cubed. That's what's going to show up in the box. Look at there. -2x cubed. What's x times 3x? 3x squared. That's what's going to show up. 3x squared. Look at there. There it is. What's x times -6? -6x. That's what you're going to see. Here it goes. Showing up. -6x. Okay, what's -2 times -2x squared? 4x squared. That's what you're going to see. 4x squared. Here it is. There it is. 4x squared. What's -2 times 3x? That's what you're going to see. -6x. Here it shows up. There it is. Okay, what's -2 times -6? +12. That's what you're going to see. +12. There it is. Right there. Okay, there you go. You got it. Okay. All right. Now your job once again, combine like terms. So are there any other x cubes? No. So you write that down. Are there any other x squareds? Yeah. How many are there? 7. You write down 7x squareds. Are there any other x's? Yes. Okay. How many do you have? -12x's, right? And any other ordinary numbers? No, just 12. Put down +12. Okay. That's what you're going to see now for the answer. Once again, the easiest can be. Yeah, there we go, and there we go. Put a little box around it. Ba-boom, there's your answer. So you just like to write all that down. And once again, if you like that method, you can use that method. It doesn't matter. Any method that works for you, you can use. What's that?
Is that the third area being?
Okay, all right, so here's all you're going to do. You go -2 times -6. How much is that? 12. You can see we write down 12. Here comes 12 right there. All right? Oh, and that, I forgot that 2 was not very good. Right there. Okay, what's -2 times 3x? -6x. That's what you're seeing right there. Here it comes. -6x. What's -2 times -2x squared? 4x squared. That's what you're seeing right there. 4x squared. Here it comes. Right there. 4x squared. Okay, so we did this, the -2. Now we're going to do the x. Okay, so what's x times -6? -6x. Okay, now remember when you did this in elementary school, you wrote the first layer of numbers and the second layer of numbers, right? So the same thing's going to happen here. See, so there's -6x. What you see, I keep the x's with the x's. I line them up together. Like things I line up. Okay, all right, so now what's x times 3x? 3x squared. Right there. 3x squared. Right there. Here it comes. There it is right there. And then what's x times -2x squared? -2x cubed. Right, so -2x cubed is going to show up right there because we don't have any yet. Right there it is right there. Okay, so then what did you learn in elementary school? You drew a line, you put a plus symbol over here, you're going to add them together. Okay, you're going to add the columns together. So here we go, it's going to happen. There's no line, okay? So here we go. There's my plus symbol. Okay, now, there's 12. There's only one number to add there, 12. Then add these two together. What do you get? -12x. You see, and you know the answer, right? We've only done this twice. Okay, now what's this answer going to be? 7x squared. Right, we're going to add those together. Here we go, add them together. Okay, and then what's, I got to post that over there. Okay, and then what's this going to be all by itself? -2x cubed. There you go. Okay, there you go. There's the answer right there. And that's it. That's all there is to it.